Hello, and welcome to this video introducing the 2024 version update of CADmeister. Focusing on the mold section, focuses on three main areas: initial study modeling, mold concept design, and post-process improvement. In this video, we will cover 7 topics. Let's begin with the first. Consider formability, featuring improved detection accuracy and enhanced detection visibility. Let's explain some of the improvements in the Consider Formability command. To open the command, go to the Mold Creator tab and select the Consider Formability command. The calculation method for thick parts has been changed as a function enhancement. The ball insertion method is characterized by its ability to properly detect thick parts and high detection accuracy in diagonal directions. Check it for Show New Measurement Results. Select object we want to check it, and waiting for Calculate. When finished, we'll see result. Calculation in progress. Please wait. Choose All of Thickness Check in Result window and examine result on display. First thing you will see it is balloon, because this balloon it not have it previous version. The balloon it will help you to see it easier. In CADmeister version 2024, the paired results are now combined into a single line for display, and both surfaces are highlighted on the model. Function has been added to exclude from inspection areas that don't be checked. You must select the same color as the area you want to exclude from inspection. You will notice that the selected color is completely excluded from the inspection. And so are the other inspection. We have added a setting to exclude the detection results of small surfaces. These are surfaces that should normally be ignored as they are small. We will ignore this surface by change value in area filter for not check small surface. Now, this result is not check surface is less than 0.2 square millimeter. Next is the second topic, drafting, improved input operability, enhanced visibility. This reduces the effort to multiple clicks and minimizes the risk of missing inputs. I will show with Use Drafting command. Select the target surface and check at G1 continuous surface automatically. Manually input all the line series by specifying each one as a reference specification. Now, a draft angle not using the tip as the reference. Execute command to create this surface. You will see a pop-up notification appear, indicating that this surface cannot be embedded. Then return to edit the command settings by selecting Edit GU from the history operations. Double-click command and check on Search for continuous lines. A draft angle will be applied to the core side design surface of the product. You can now preview the surface by checking the option Create Only Surfaces when previewing. Since the preview after embedding can now be displayed in the preview state, after execute, go to Update Status in History operation. Now we come to the third topic. This is a new feature designed to create surfaces for repairing holes. Let's take a look at how to use it. Open the command Quick Hole Repair. I will test with this model. As you can see, there are many holes in the surface. The hole filling process allows you to fill holes with just one command and a single click. You can also fill multiple holes simultaneously by using drag selection, region, or other similar selection tools. Now we are moving on to the fourth topic. MoveCopy Parts have been improved with better rotation alignment operability. The MoveCopy Part command is used to move or copy a model within the workspace. Normally, we use the manual rotation option in this command. This version, CADmeister improvement, we can arrange a slide unit when adjusting the placement and reference plane of the part. I will show you by arranging this as slide units. To the MoveCopy Parts command. You can specify the reference plane to be placed. Next, select the target part or surface. In another way, we can immediately placement after import part. By use Place Parts command to import and choose part. Then select Placement Plane, Placement Point, and place temporarily. When Place Part Finish, click Placement Adjustment. You can adjust position of parts same as MoveCopy Part command. In this case, you should try to use straight line for reference with plane. Then click OK to be finished. Next topic is create cooling pipe have change in the tip shape of the gun drill type. Go to Open Cooling Pipe command. Then select Object and choose Position for Create the cooling pipe. Select Gun Drill Type as the tool type. Normally, gun drill will create tooltip with inverted conical shape. But you can change to flat shape by edit in MPGWLO text file. You can setting between 1 an inverted conical shape and 2 a flat shape. Click Save. Then go back to Program and recreate again. Now the shape of cooling pipe tip is flat. Next topic is Structure Chart have improved input operability. At first, open Structure tab. Then create a head of structure and type name. Select a substructure using the TRL. The TRL is a tool that selects all objects you drag across. In this table, you can uncheck the parts you do not want. In this result, you will see that the parts you unchecked are not included. For the new option, you can select only one part and the command will automatically select the same parts. In this table, before adding the part to the structure, you can choose to display the model name, model type, and material. This is the type of part we selected to display. In this version, you can set it to display all types by following these instructions. Open the file with this address. In the MPG-ENV file, add this line at the bottom and save the file. The meaning of this code you can see in prt.st. After save, it must restart CADmeister one time. Check the result by Create Substructure again. In this table, all model names of each type are shown according to the settings. Now, all parts have been added to the substructure. In this version, we can move all substructures to another position by drag and drop to another position. This is all update in Mold version up 2024. Thank you for your watching. Goodbye.